Amanda and Arturo are the A-team, literally. They go over and beyond to ensure the enjoyment of the tourgoers. Good itinerary, safe trip and intelligible guides. Switzerland is so beautiful. 5 stars all the way. The weather was sunny and cool, perfect for a day tour to Grindelwald and Interlaken. The guide and driver were very friendly and knowledgeable. Spectacular views for photo taking and the boat cruise on Lake Brienz, known for its turquoise waters, was amazing. Would recommend. Our trip was organized. For our tour, it was partially guided tour. We stopped for 1 hour in Interlaken and then head to Grindelwald by bus. Then the tour guide gave us a brochure that will help us navigate the way in Grindelwald. It was majestic and magical experience. The Swiss Alps will take your breath away. Indeed, winter wonderland. Very beautiful views. We also took the train to Lauterbrunnen from Grindelwald. You just have to buy another ticket. I liked Interlaken the most. Many shops and try the chocolates from the Swiss chocolate chalet. They're super delicious. Partially guided tour. They will drop you to Grindelwald and they will give you a brochure to navigate or tour around the towns. Love the sceneries. The guides gave tours while traveling, also gave options and suggestions. The view is beyond imaginable. Everywhere you see feels like you are in a movie. Too bad that it was foggy once we reached the top, but needless to say, this Grindelwald and Interlaken tour is spectacular. This tour is really nice and helpful. For sure this will give you more insights about Switzerland. The tour will not only bring you to the beautiful and enchanting nature of Grindelwald and Interlaken but also to learn interesting facts about the places you'll go to. This tour is definitely highly recommended. Thanks to our very accommodating guides and driver. Definitely worth the money. Had an awesome experience and did the upgrade tour to Jungfrau. Wow. Just wow. Absolutely amazing. Unfortunately I didn't have the best views due to it was snowing, but the experience is worth it. The tour and the tour guides are extremely helpful and friendly to be around, or even for some advice on what to do and where to go. Enjoyed this trip and itinerary. I was a bit confused as to where the tour booth was as it wasn't facing the main road and was blocked by a few buses, but I asked around and some helpful travelers guided me to the booth. Once I found out where the tour booth was, it was easy for me to head to it for the next few day trips. The guide was pleasant and friendly, and gave us suggestions on what activities we could do at Interlaken and Grindelwald. The scenery was beautiful as well. Unfortunately, it was really cloudy when I went up to Mount first, but it was nonetheless a great experience. Booking the Interlaken and Grindelwald trip was easy, with confirmation and the booking voucher received within minutes, even though I booked the day before. Initially, it was a bit confusing as the bus combined 2 separate tours, Interlaken Grindelwald and Jungfrau, likely because both tours were headed in the same direction. However, both guides provided clear explanations to resolve our confusion. The trip began with about 45 minutes in Interlaken before we were taken by bus to Grindelwald. In Grindelwald, we were given free time to explore but needed to return to Interlaken by the stipulated time given. The tour included a free train ticket back to Interlaken, allowing us ample time to explore both locations at our own pace. Marlio, our tour guide, was very helpful, providing detailed explanations and suggesting activities in Interlaken. Thanks to the clear directions and instructions from both guides, everything went smoothly and everyone managed to report on time. Grindelwald is so beautiful, make sure to go the Mount first to see the beauty of the place. The ticket for the cable ride is not included, it is so worth going up. Interlaken is also beautiful and you will have the time to explore it on your own time after the Grindelwald. Definitely a must to see. You have to visit Grindelwald if you visit Switzerland. The place is so beautiful. However, you have to pay 65 Swiss francs for the cable car going to the top of the Alps. It's worth it because the views are amazing. Highly recommended. Thanks, Klug.